My morning cup of coffee isn't just what gets me moving every day. It's become part of my morning routine. It's my time to slow down and get creative, to just be me. That's why I love my Civ espresso machine. The built-in frother gives me quality lattes and cappuccinos at home, and I get to try my hand at foam art. The modern stainless steel looks great on my countertop, but my favorite part? The precise extraction and temperature control feature. It ensures a smooth, rich taste every time, which means I can brew my perfect cup depending on how I'm feeling in the moment. Today was a double espresso kind of day. Exactly what I needed to feel like me again.